Genesis Health System has been within the community of the Quad Cities for over 150 years. We also have a very large primary care network, one of the largest within the entire region. We also do a lot of other services like home health and hospice and other things to provide for the continuum of care for our patients. About 20 years ago, we were looking for a telecommunications partner who we could bring in and become a partner in regards to how we were dealing with the various telecom vendors. We started to work with Carrier Access, and that really was more out of recommendations from other people within the state. Some of the folks that had worked with them in Des Moines, other relationships I'd built up, and thought they seemed like a company that might be in line there in terms of their values and what we were looking for, a proposition in terms of how we could deliver the services we needed. So we began that conversation. It was organic at that point in terms of not really knowing each other and building that trust over time. About 5 years ago, though, Carrier Access expanded into the information technology space. Carrier Access IT has introduced us to new technologies or emerging technologies from where we might have been in the past. One in data storage, a company called Pure Storage. Pure had a different model in terms of how they were going to offer the services, in terms of what they called an evergreen. And so that intrigued us because it allowed us to keep our hardware stack refreshed on a continuous basis, be able to understand the value, understand the cost that was going to be there year after year. And the new and improved technology they put within that was a game changer for us. One of the other areas that Carrier Access IT was able to bring value to our organization or value to Genesis Health System was in around data security. So while we talked about data storage with Pure, on the data security side, we went with a vendor called Rubrik. It was critical to us that we have, a hardened solution that would allow us to protect our data, put it in ways that we could store it, or in the approaches that we wanted to do things that would give us the highest confidence level in the security of our information, and Rubrik was that vendor. We've been working with Carrier Access now for going on over 20 years. They understand we're looking for long-term solution, long-term value for the benefit of our organization and our patients. When you're a healthcare organization like Genesis Health System, we're trusting you with our patients. We're trusting you with the care of the community. So you better be willing to do what it needs to be 24/7, and that's what Carrier Access is to us.